Back at Hog Speed. I swear, man. Of all the cars I want to buy, I got the Evo. I want to get a DeLorean. And I want one of these. One of my bros I grew up with, his cousin had a blue IROC Z, man. I thought it was the cleanest thing in the world. So motor follow on this thing. Oh man, it's TJ Hunt. Oh no. So we're working on, man.
Turbocharging and FRS.
Oh man, FRS. FT, was it FT86? No, GT86 and
F820.
F820. Get some boost going on here. Man, so this guy came in, what, he got suspension done. What else did he get done?
Brakes.
Oh man, he's got the wheel woods. Front and rear, man. This guy spared no expense. Put some wheels on here. Yeah, I'm about to get me some of these for the S10. So, was it always, or was that a relocator kit?
It's got a oil cooler now, and this is part of that oil cooler relocator kit. So, one thing.
What kind of turbo is this?
A Borg Warner. These are small, self-contained. So, the wastegate actuator sits over here, and it gets vacuumed from the other side of the turbo. It's all self-contained units, water and oil. So it's a huge pain in the ass. So these are the water lines here. These come over and in the intake when that gets hooked up, and then that's the oil feed line.
This is where all the action happens right here.
It's
How many pounds of boost this guy trying to get safely?
probably be 10 on low boost and 15 to 17 on high boost. Maybe. I don't know.
Was this a kit, do you know of? I know I'm asking you a lot of questions.
No, it's fine. It's a full race kit. So you got the deal of the century on this thing.
I'll put a link to this thing in the comments.
The turbo kit, the intercooler, the up pipes, downpipe, over the cross number, all that stuff is a full race kit. And then got a radium catch can. I'm doing
Let's get this catch can in here.
the oil cooler over there.
Catch can with oil cooler. Oh man, that's clean right there. Yeah, pretty decent size intercooler, man.
Oh yeah, the bar and plate is the way it's supposed to be.
It's bigger than the one in the Evo.
Crash bar over there, and then you put this. I think they call it a drift bar or something. I don't know.
Drift bar.
I don't know. Anyway, so that thing had an oil cooler mount for it, and so just cooking all that up right now, getting it all put together. And I should be done with it today. Maybe. Well, I'll be done with it until tomorrow. Be done with it until tomorrow when I get front brake lines and D-bands for the exhaust. But the injectors are in it, the clutch is in it, all suspension stuff's done. Did diff bushings, transmission bushings, sway bars front and rear, teen coilovers front and rear, Willwood brakes front and rear, turbo kit. It's going to get tuned on Thursday.
So for all you SV86 bros out there, I'm gonna put a little link in the description. Y'all need to come and holler at Owen, man. This guy's making, there's only a handful of boosted BRZ slash GT86 slash whatever else it's called running around here that I know of.
I only know of two. There's a red one that ain't nobody talked to. The car just floats around. It's got a front mount on it, everything, person keeps to themselves. So a couple dudes, you know, they go and play in Mexico, seen it. here right now. He's gone. He went to North Carolina or South Carolina, some other place. His car was boosted. And so I don't know who else is done yet, or is done right now anyway.
Oh man, the boxer engine.
Let's do it. Well, I did plugs too.
And plugs.
And plugs. I don't give a damn who you are, what you read on the internet. I can't get my hands in there without jacking the motor. I tried. I tried all the special tools and all the other, man. I jacked the motor up. Use plugs, put plugs back in. Done. It's got HKS, something or other plug in it now. So.
Man, so this guy's been putting down some decent power, man.
Yeah, man. This should make 400. Oh, I'll put an E in it too.
Hey, hold up, man. Where in the Sam Hill is this Hawk Speed sticker?
Oh, you ain't got one.
He ain't got one yet.
You ain't earned it.
Oh, okay.
You ain't earned it.
Man.
And he's not a look at me kind of guy, so.
Good.
The sticker may not actually go on the outside of the car, maybe just stand underneath the hood. So, it is what it is.
I can respect that.
I can too. Nothing wrong with that at all. Keep it clean, keep it simple. That's the reason why the wheels are the way they are. It's a slick back car. The brakes are black versus red. You know, we could have bought red wheelbase for it just the same.
Yeah. Oh yeah, most guys do go for the red, right. Kind of like the Brim Bros.
Do something that sticks out, gets your attention. And this customer doesn't care about your attention or anybody else's attention. He's doing the car for himself, doing it his way. The rest is kind of history.
So what else does this guy have planned for this build?
Zit.
This is a lot.
It is a lot.
Like, hey, we're yeah. So we're under the beast. It's that overpipe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Man. 3-inch all the way back. Oh man.
Two almost mufflers.
Oh, that's right.
Two almost mufflers or one resonator and one almost muffler?
Yeah. Cool little bung there. You say it's getting tuned when?
Thursday.
Okay. Let's see if I can make it for that.
So hopefully we get it tuned noon to 3 o'clock. Should be our window. And then after that, go out and drive it, make sure that everything works and it does what it's supposed to do. And give it back to the customer and hope that it doesn't blow up. It's that FA20 life, man.
Yeah.
So the customer asked about doing 2J swaps, about doing LS swaps and all this and that. So I told him, this is what I think the window is for doing all that stuff, and he called around to some other shops across the United States to get similar prices, and he was like, "Hey, well, you were right. We'll just do this thing, and then if I don't like it, then we'll change direction or build a motor or something later."
Cause Subaru, I know they had the ringland failure thing. Did they ever perfect that to your knowledge, or is it still an issue?
So I think it's still one of those things that you got to be careful of.
Cause I know, like from stock, how are these engines on oil circulation? I mean,
it's bad. We're just changing oil regularly, and now adding 1,400 degrees of heat.
Yeah. So you can put a blanket on that thing. What is
It's
it?
already got a blanket.
Oh, okay.
On it. So the downpipe's already wrapped, and then it's got the not HPC, Jet Hot titanium header coating on the header itself.
Oh man, what was that gold tape down there?
That's the crap that they used for NASA spaceships.
Oh yeah, that's right.
ET.
Re-entry.
That's it. So some up top. Anytime it gets close to the manifold, it's got heat tape on it. And then all the lines will get fastened, and anything that gets close to the exhaust like that will get more heat barrier put between it and whatever. You can see that the fan's got it on the back of it.
Yeah.
The water lines. These are the water lines here. They're on the front and back. And
So
then
water and oil? Jesus. Make sure this thing stays cool.
they're trying. They are trying.
Man.
So anyway, it'll be good fun.
All right, man.
EDFC on the team shocks, so we'll be able to change his
Dampening or
dampening on the shocks. Once that's supposed to be here, so it's got a controller that sits on top, and you just hit a button on the inside of the car. Wow. The stepper motors on the outside on the shocks themselves change everything. So,
I think this is the kind of one to get for the Evo.
yeah, man.
That'd be like my first and only mod for about the next 5 years.
And I'm a huge team fan anyway, so I like them. They're good shocks. You can get them rebuilt. They just work. They don't clank. They don't make a bunch of noises. They don't wear out in 6 months. They're really, really good quality. Here we are. Get all this stuff all buttoned back up, and wait for a couple parts to show up tomorrow, and then go out and see what it's got on Thursday. See what it'll do.
Word. Well, I'll try to be here, man, so I can catch some of the shenanigans.
Maybe. I know the customer doesn't want to be on camera.
Okay, cool. I respect that.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, ask him if it's okay to put this up on your.
Oh, the car's fine.
Okay.
He doesn't care about that. It's nondescript. It's just another silver FRS.
Oh yeah, you got your hoodies on sale.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. If you ain't got any Hawkspeed merch, hey, go to hawkspeedandcustom.com.
Yeah. You can get hoodies, you can get pullovers, zip-ups, and the gap insurance. Yep.
I'm gonna pick up my hoodie right now. And yeah, and it's 90-something degrees outside, but I don't care. I'm gonna get it before it gets sold out.
It's because you're moving.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah. Cool.
All right, bro. Let's get your hands back in this thing.
Finish this up. This thing done.
All right, until next time.